Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a magic ring. First thing we're going to do is find our yarn tail, and we're going to place the yarn tail over our fingers like so. Take the yarn and wrap it around your 3 fingers and wrap it around to make an X. So we have an X here. Now we're going to take our hook and we're going to go under the strand that's closest to us, and we're going to pull up that second strand with our hook. It's going to create this little loop, so we're going to twist it once. So we see here that we have a twist on our hook. And now we're going to go back to that second strand. You see that second strand here that's still part of that X. We're just going to go under that strand, loop it, and pull it through that loop that we made on our hook. So now you can just, release the ring that's on your fingers, just like so. It's not going to mess anything up. Grab your working yarn, and now you have a magic ring. You can take this little tail out of the center. You don't necessarily need to have that in there. And you can just pull on your working yarn to shorten that little loop there that we made. But the magic ring is essentially where you pull on this tail and it closes the ring, and then you pull on the ring and it opens. So this tail and this ring adjust freely. There are many ways to do the magic ring, and you will see when you look at tutorials and stuff that there are many different ways that people come to do this. But this is the best way that I have found that works for me and makes the most sense. I hope you found this helpful. If you want to follow me to the next lesson on how to change color, I will meet you there. Bye!